Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kathy. As you are aware, November 7th, 2024 will be a very important day for defendant Brian C. Kohberger in the Idaho 4 case, because that is the day when His Honor Judge Hippler will entertain Mr. Kohberger's various motions to strike the death penalty notice, which was served upon him in 2023. And again, we must re-emphasize the fact that Mr. Kohberger is innocent of all charges that have been brought against him in this case until such time that a jury finds him guilty. Just because there are hearings in this case on the death penalty notice does not mean that the constitutional right he enjoys of innocent until proven guilty by beyond any reasonable doubt standard changes in any way, shape, or form. He has filed multiple motions to strike the death penalty notice on grounds of international law, on grounds of common standards of contemporary decency. But there's one that I think is really important, and it is the HAC aggravator. He filed a reply on the 24th of October, 2024, seeking to strike one of the 4 aggravators that the state has raised, providing grounds for them to seek the death penalty if Mr. Kohberger is adjudicated guilty at trial. Mr. Kohberger, in his reply, states that the Idaho legislature did not pass an HAC aggravator that is heinous, atrocious, cruel, but that this was, according to Mr. Kohberger, enacted by the Idaho courts, which the Idaho courts had no authority. They usurped their authority, in other words, in finding that a heinous, atrocious, cruel HAC aggravator exists. And he says he cannot be put to death based on such a notion. Of all of the attacks that Mr. Kohberger has made on the 4 remaining grounds that the state has, remember, they voluntarily dismissed the 5th. So there's 4 grounds remaining. I believe this is the strongest argument that he has made. That is my opinion that I give pursuant to the First Amendment to the United States Constitution. If you would like to read this document, please go to the Idaho Courts of Judicial Interest website. You can Google it. You can go down. It was filed October 24th. You can look at the original motion, which was filed September 5th, and the state's response in opposition filed on October 9th. And as an announcement today, we will be going live on November 7th on this YouTube channel to cover these hearings or this oral argument on these multiple motions, and also to find out if Judge Hippler is going to grant Mr. Kohberger's naming of 2 expert witnesses. That's Professor Kohberger from the University of Idaho and Dr. Wolf. As always, I want to thank you for joining us here today.